My name is Bobby Baldwin. I'm the owner of Kool Tintz Window Tinting here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. I've been tinting windows for 27 years. I started tinting windows in 1991. I was 20 years old. I was already working with the public in a detail shop, cleaning cars. A buddy of mine came up, was tinting windows, watched what he was doing, fell in love with the idea, loved working with people, and the rest was history. This is a family-owned business. The only employee is my son that works with me. He makes me proud every day and he challenges me to be better.
I've been around this my majority of my life. My dad's taught me this from the ground up. My dad and I have a goal that when your car leaves, it's gonna look better than when you brought it here.
I would describe my business as efficient, detailed, and precise. What you can expect when you walk into our business is to pick out the type of film that fits your budget and your wants and needs. The rest is up to us. You can go sit down, relax on our comfy couch, watch a little TV, grab a cup of coffee, and we're gonna get your car finished in a timely manner and have you on your way. What separates me from other window tint businesses is we use technology. First off, we computer cut our films to precise fit your vehicle. What that means to you is we're not cutting on your car. The next thing is we offer 4 different lines of film to fit any budget, but the crowd favorite is our ceramic. When you come into our shop and you put your hand in front of our heat lamp demonstration, this ceramic film is going to blow you away. There's not anything else around that comes close. So if you want to see and feel the difference, call or come see us today.